Welcome to this week's EVAPO Rust Tip of the Week. This week we're talking about EVAPO Rust and how you can use it to restore collectibles around the garage in your home.
I love going to flea markets and being able to outfit David's garage with great looking antique pieces. It is true. I love going around and finding old gas cans or oil cans, but a lot of times nowadays they're just rusty and don't look very good. So we use EVAPO Rust to de-rust them. These pieces we've actually pre-dipped and they look pretty nasty on the back side, but once we turn them over, you can see it's de-rusted and it looks great.
Here's another one. This is an old oil can. And you can see this side we dipped. You can even see the line on top of it now. And it doesn't matter how rusty they are. A lot of them, even if they're rusted completely through, once you de-rust them, whatever's underneath that rust, you get back. And you can see things as old as this old beer can, which I don't think you bought at a flea market.
No.
But anyway, once you de-rusted it, everything underneath there comes back. And now you've got an interesting piece. It's got a lot of patina on it. And it's something that other people are not going to have. You can use it on oil cans, any kind of can, license plates. A lot of the times you find signs, the good ones are already gone and you find rusty ones. This is a way to get a sign that looks great, has patina, looks aged, but is not rusty.
If you have any other questions, just visit our website at evaporust.com.